Now I didn't quite expect to watch this movie because I wasn't interested in any sense. Like I didn't know what was going on. I didn't know what it was about. I just knew this was going to be released, and my friends were like, come, please. I mean, just join us. So I was like, you know what? Let's just go. Let's see what it's about. And I was taken in by surprise because I didn't expect anything. I didn't know what to expect first of all. So I was like, I liked it because I like fashion. I like different things. I like seeing things that are out of the ordinary, and this played into that. So of course I haven't watched the first part. Of course, just look at me. I haven't watched the first part, and so this was my first introduction to these characters. So I don't know what, uh, you know, already their character has went through like the arcs or some development that they went through. This was my first introduction to them, so I kind of like the entire premise of the movie. I like the characters, all these different, types of characters, their arcs, how they play into this entire conglomerate of the runaway, the runaway corporation or whatever, and how they build out this entire show business and all of these models and whatnot. So yeah, I kind of like that entire concept. I loved seeing these different dresses and these different outfits on all these different people, on all these gorgeous people. And I was actually able to recognize Wisdom from Insta, and yeah, like he made a cameo in the movie, like, yeah, for like a few seconds. So yeah, I do follow fashion a little bit here and there. Like I love seeing these different dresses, these different outfits on Instagram. I mean, they appear on my feed and I like them because yeah, it's just a cool and unique thing. It's authentic thing that people do, especially when someone does it for themselves, like when they dress themselves up or even for others. But yeah, it's just super, you know super interesting to see how they put on these different accessories, these different clothes, and how sometimes you can style a piece of clothing in different ways. So yeah, for me that was a very interesting part. But this was more into the deals and like what goes into saving this business. So I actually kind of like that. And again, the reason I loved the characters were because they were human. Like even though they are, these rich ultra, millionaires, billionaires are working for these big companies, they're working with these big companies, it's still very much based on human experience and on what humans feel at the end. I mean, the old lady who was in charge of, runway, she didn't want it to give this entire enterprise to Emily. I mean, Emily's character, I loved Emily's character. It was one of those characters where, like, I mean, everybody has reasons and everybody does things for a certain reason, and that character played right into it. I mean, of course, Annie Hathaway's character was amazing as well. Although I do not remember everybody's names, Emily and Virgil, like the bald guy, if I'm able to remember his name correctly, if that is his name. But yeah, those two characters were like so into their character that they just felt like that. Looking at other characters, it was more like they're playing an act, they're playing a character, but they were like the character. They were like into it so much, and I loved it. So yeah, again, I mean, we see like this, I guess, transfer of Anne Hathaway's character from like this being like a journalist for some other company, and she finally goes into this, and how she develops into like striking out a deal with Shasha. I guess that was her name, like this other designer. And yeah, and how she also gets like an interview with her in the first place to kind of get in the good graces of that, the old lady that was running the entire runway corporation. So it was great. Like I loved it. I was in for a ride. I absolutely enjoyed it. And I would say if you want to get introduced into this world, do watch this movie. My friends have definitely recommended me to watch like the previous movie, so I'll take a look at that. Even, I mean, after seeing this, that looks even more promising. That looks more kind of, that looks more gravital. Like, it's pulling me in to watch it. And yeah, I absolutely love fashion. Absolutely love all of that, creative stuff that comes from people's authenticness. And that is one other point that they were talking about, like that authenticness about these events, the authenticness about human souls that put in real work into these things. That is one of those parts where you cannot like just make it and repackage it into something that fits that corporate vibe, that fits that uh, thing where you just want to make it profitable. That just doesn't work. You need to have things that are for the human experience. You need to have that authenticness of the human experience. So yeah, I absolutely love the movie. I didn't expect to like it because I generally didn't know what to expect. But yeah, my experience was great. I loved it. And that's it, sub to the channel, and I'll see you in the next.